Out in the middle of the ocean, sometimes the waves rise higher than you expect, and that's when the ship begins to roll. It starts like any normal day. The sea looks peaceful, the crew is at work, and everything feels steady. But the ocean has its own plans. Slowly, the waves build up, and suddenly, the ship begins to roll, left to right, like a giant cradle, but not so gentle. Walking becomes a challenge. Every step feels like a test of balance. Even a cup of tea refuses to stay still. This is the reality of life at sea. For us sailors, rolling is nothing new. It's part of the job. We learn to live with it, laugh about it, and sometimes even enjoy the thrill. Every roll reminds us of the power of the ocean and the strength it takes to be a seafarer. Out here, balance isn't just for the ship, it's for life. Beyond the horizon, life at sea, unfiltered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the ocean.